Big Fireworks is America's fastest growing fireworks brand. Over the past 15 years, the Big Fireworks name has grown to become one of the leading brands in the business. We strive to provide the best product at the best prices with the best possible customer service. Our product line includes a variety of high-quality fireworks that suit a wide range of customer needs and are sure to awe and entertain any audience. Our website, with up-to-date inventory, offers easy online ordering anytime, anywhere. All our fireworks are safety certified by CPTL, the Chinese Pyrotechnic Testing Laboratory. We constantly incorporate feedback from our customers in order to make sure you get the fireworks that you want when you want them. Our diverse product line offers a wide range of fireworks to choose from, all of which are sure to please. Try Big Fireworks and experience the big difference.
Hi, I'm Eric Stages, President of Big Fireworks.
I'm Aaron Sebrel, VP of Wholesale Operations.
My name's Allison White, and I'm the CFO at Big Fireworks.
I'm Brad White. I'm a sales rep here at Big Fireworks.
Go big or go home.
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 Go big or go home.